Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will learn how to replace the faulty rear camera of iPhone 13 Pro. If you want to learn complete step-by-step process, then watch the video till the end. We will start the process by opening the phone. First, we will take a specialized opening tool and we'll fix the phone in it. The suction cups on both sides will grab the phone firmly. It is advisable to heat the phone or add some isopropyl alcohol to soften the glue inside screen. The suction mechanism will force the screen to lift up. As you can see, the screen is open now. Remove the tool now. Now take a screwdriver and start opening the screws one by one. Remember, all the screws are not of the same size, so we need to place them in order. This is very important tip to follow, otherwise we could have catastrophic results. Placing wrong screws at wrong places can cause holes in the board. Extra care needs to be taken. Unplug the battery using a plastic tool. This will protect us from any short-circuiting. Remove all the metal shields and screws. This process is not only time-consuming but also require experience and precision. After removing all the metal brackets, unplug the LCD and earpiece flex cables. This will separate the screen from the phone. Now we will start to disassemble the camera. Start opening the camera covering shield screws. These screws are also different size screws, so place them separately. Once all the screws are removed, take off the metal bracket. Unplug the camera connectors from board. Camera can be lifted easily. Now take another 100% genuine camera and install it. Place the camera in place and plug its connectors on board. Now we will start the assembling process. Start by installing the camera metal bracket back to its place. Install back the screws at their corresponding places. Install back the screen. Turn on the phone and test the camera. As you can see, the camera functionality is okay. Now we will install the remaining metal brackets and their screws. Once it is done, we will gently press the screen from all sides to fit it to its place. Please subscribe to watch more videos like this.